friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on EA Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the e-book that is very important for NIC study material, and in this book we will discuss or simply we have discussed about just emerging technologies and cyber securities. Cyber securities, as in the our NIC syllabus, included the OWASP and secure programming and artificial intelligence, you can say, and blockchain and many things. So how to the question comes from that sections and how to prepare from that domain, you can say on this book you will find 319 questions I have MCQ included in with theories, and the theories and purposes is the simply just you can say the just you can watch all this thing, and this book is very concentrate on the exam point of view. Yes, and in this questions, every question the viabilities and the probability of coming and asking in that exam, it will already we have discussed, and we have made on that concern. First of all, I am saying that secure programming, what does it mean? It does mean, friends, कि whenever someone want to log in your credentials in your website or any account, but that person will bypass your credential, that is called the hacker. But to protect from that is called the ethical hacker, and that ethical hacker is known as the white hat hacker also. So the security and cyber security and you can say the cyber security, the section will be coming, digital marketing will coming. So I am talking about the most of the questions I have included in it, and that question have the most probability. The secure programming and how to know the client side attack, and how to know the server side attack. What is the client side attack? It does mean whenever the SQL injection is injected, it is the malicious string. If it is injected in your search bar or in your website where it is taking the input of your website, and it will bypass your thing. Okay, and what is XSS? It is the client side attack in cross site scripting, you can say, and inside you can also just someone steal the cookie. Yes, cookie is what? It is the nothing but it is the ID password for you. Yes, there is the many application. If someone steal your cookie, then he can log in, she can log in your website, blog or channel or etc. you can. So you have to know how to save from that thing, and not knowing that what is the OWASP. OWASP, more than 100 MCQ I have included in this book. And what is the OWASP and what is the vulnerability, and which type of MCQ were formed in examination. So such a thing I have included. So if you are preparing for that thing, if you preparing for that NIC exam, then you can take this ebook, because it is a very important, you can say it is the very important and precious, you can say the machine learning also I have included, blockchain MCQs also I have included in, secure programming also I have included more than 100 plus MCQs, and what is the blockchain and what is the Bitcoin, and all these emerging technologies, you can say machine learning, deep learning, as well as the, you can say, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the superset of what? Machine learning as well as the deep learning. Okay, such a MCQ also I have included in, you can watch easily in it, and if you observe this and if you take this ebook, then definitely in this section any question will be hit in your question paper, then you can attempt, because secure programming, OWASP, it does mean mutility, and I will explain in next coming video how to practical, and all the secure technologies like that, how to prone from the SQL injection, how to prone from XSS, and what is the machine learning, what is the artificial intelligence, what is the Bitcoin, and what is the cryptocurrency, and etc. All these things, that is the part of emerging technologies. Yes, emerging technology, and that emerging technologies MCQ will be asked in that exam. So I have included all this question all that MCQ in this ebook. So I request you and I suggest you that you should take this ebook, and it is the only the minimum charges you can pay and you can take. And the this is the contact number. If you want to this book, then just respond me. I will send you link and you can take it. And many of this, and if you are not preparing for that exam, then if you are preparing for other, and still you are suppose in IT security project, then this thing you must know this, what is the OWASP and what is the logic about that, and how to prone from SQL injection, how to use the SQL injection, and what is the XSS, what is the HTML injection, what is the CSS injection. Yes, also I have mentioned many MCQs, theories as well as the whole diagrammatically I have explained in it. And if you are preparing then NIC scientist B and technical assistant, and then you must take it. But otherwise, if you are not preparing then and you want to know about the emerging technologies, yes, emerging technologies, that is the machine learning, artificial intelligence, that is the superset, augmented reality, that is AR, and many of these things, like you can say the Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, then also you can take this book, because it have the also possibilities of the new coming, and how to prone what is the SQL string. Just take it, this string, yes, this string, single quote 1 equal to 1 minus dash dash dash. What does it mean? It will decommit, it will comment the after SQL query, and it will log in inside your, and OWASP and DVWA and WebGot and many of the practices platform you can say, and on that platform you can do. So what is the vulnerability? It is the weakness. What is the vulnerability? It is the weakness. It does mean whenever someone want to inject some queries inside your website from front end side, then he can easily, where the input is taking your website, and it will reflect output. And here that just you can say your happy birthday, and before happy H you can put H1 head tag, it is the HTML tag, and ending happy birthday, and after that forward slash and H1 is closed. It does mean you have opened the head tag and you have closed the head tag, and inside that, and this string will be entered, and whenever the reflect on that thing, then if that HTML code will, and this HTML code if executed, it does mean it will converted in a heading. It does mean your website is vulnerable. Yes, it does mean your website is vulnerable. Whenever someone want to the script tag, inside the script tag and alert and pass here hello XSS, or simply document.cookie, and it will return the cookie, and it is the password also. Even there are many software which will accept your cookie and give the login. So in that way you can say, if document.cookie then reflect the cookie, so it does mean your website is vulnerable from XSS. And if string will pass single quote 1 then your website is vulnerable for SQL injection. And so many ways I have explained in this book. What is the SQL injection, and what is the type of SQL injection, and what is the union query, and what is the DVWA, and what is the OWASP, and all these things I have included. So if you are interested other than NIC preparation, then you can also take it. So this is the brief about that book. Just take it, and thank you. Bye bye. If you like really this video, then just like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Meet soon in next video.